Hi everyone. I want to talk to you about using goingok.com as a personal reflection tool. We've been thinking about leadership and about narratives of leadership. Also in the other unit, we've been talking about leading change. Feedback and reflection are just so important. This is a digital tool that I've used last year and found really helpful. You can create a login and on Blackboard we'll give you the information of a code word that you can use to sign up that will make this tool free for you. I'll sign in and show you what it looks like. You can set a little reminder for the software to send you an email once a fortnight, or you can set it more frequently if you like, saying how are you going? In this case, how are you going with your learning at QUT? Just slide the little slide up here. At the moment, I think things are going pretty well. I'm really excited. I type in my reflections here. I felt like there was a shaky start to semester as there was so much to coordinate. But as getting to know people has really helped me refine what we're doing. And I can just press record it. Last year I did this often on my iPhone while I was sitting waiting to pick my children up from somewhere. The email would arrive and I go, oh, how am I going? It'd be a chance to reflect. What happens is I get a recording over time, and you can see here some recordings. For example, in week 1, I was nervous whether I'd find my students had too much information to take in. But once people started using Google Doc and Twitter, I felt a little bit more confident. And one of the great pleasures that I've got is seeing people's thinking being shared, which really helps me teach. So this is a personal reflection. I'm just showing you one that I haven't added too much data to yet. But what we're doing is you're also using it as a research tool. What the software will do is summarize, it will de-identify, so we don't know who's writing what, but we just want to see the comments, and it'll summarize the comments, and Denise and I will be able to have a look at some themes. We'll be able to respond straight away sometimes, but other times it might help what we do in sharing the digital ways of working and enhancing the masters in general. Really would love you to be part of this, so I would encourage you to give it a go. I do understand though that we've been using lots of digital technologies, and this might just be one that you're not ready for. That's okay too. But I found this a very powerful way to reflect last year, and I'd encourage you to give it a go. Thanks if you do. I won't know who does, but I really hope we get some feedback to help us in our leadership.